Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another channel. What I'm doing this beautiful morning. Well, I'm about to install this right here on the car. That's for your shifter. I want to make the holes for it, and also I wanted the drilling right here for the mounts. I had to hurry up because it's about to bad rain coming through. It's early in the morning. This is bad rain coming to Florida. You know, and this is what I did last night, and this is gonna hold for a while to create moisture on it, but this is what water will go in there because right now it's beautiful, but in a couple hours it's gonna be rain as hell. So with that said, I got the bit that I need to do this. And before I tell you what we work on this, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Do this right. The kit comes with nice bolts. I'm putting it in right now. The first one, this one I only have to drill on the bottom. It has its own hole that you can screw into it. Not like this one. This one, I drilled it out all the way through. Put it down there. And it comes with one of the washers. And I'm gonna put a thing right here. And this one, trying to figure out what the hell's going on. I want to make sure that nothing goes wrong before I hit it with a big one. So this one's already came back in the bottom. I want to put just on percussion. I'm going to put another washer. Even though it's a thread right there. And then hit it with this. No way. So you guys know it is a 16 on the top, 17 on the bottom. Making sure that both line come loose with right racing. I want to do the other one. Hold this one right here, like this. Alright, water mount is done. Now I'm going to move up to that, put this away. Hey guys, welcome back. My camera died on me. So what I did after you guys, the camera died on me, let me show you what I have been done. You know, we got that done. We also got that done, that put up together. And yes, I bought some, we bought some eBay mounts just for 200 bucks. Just for the race, and pardon me. After that, we're gonna change them. This is already, I miscounted the hole right here. I made it too close this way, so I'm gonna leave it for 3 right now. I'm gonna later on with the drill bit, I'll make the hole bigger so I can put the lines out. Fortunately, I'm gonna cut this off, remove this hose so we don't have that no more, and then yeah, I've moved that out of the way so I can get my butt in there. And the weather is changing already. Remember this morning how beautiful it was? Look how dirty it's getting. So this was a motor mount kit from eBay for like 255 bucks. Not much. Came with all the hardware right here. I'm about to put to a bigger bag because I cut this one off half open. The other ones are right here. Came from China, so how good that can be. And at this point, pardon me, let me get some water. If at this point you don't know what we're doing, we're throwing a K-swap on this car. So with that said, guys, rain's about to come around the corner. I'm gonna put all the bolts in one corner. I'll clean my shop for the rest of the day. Guys, thank you for watching my channel, subscribing. Again, if you're in the Fort Myers, K24 area, hit like, hit share, subscribe. And I'm about to put some that back over here and put it where it's supposed to belong. That looks really sick right there. Looks good. I like it. See if I can get it covered from here and here. put the engine already, but I gotta do the oil pan gasket. Not oil pan gasket, oil pump. But this came out pretty strong, so it's already a K car. You know. There you go, guys. The Puerto Rico one can stick it was messed up, but there we go. These are the tools that I use. Going well. Find the part for grading. A friend of mine still sent me that from Japan. I did finish the hub for the integrators back there. Put this one right here. 100% gain. Yeah, I'll put it right here. On this side. Ooh. Blessed by Gene himself. Make another one for the hatch later. What do you think? Yo, there we go, guys. With that said, I'm out. Out and about. See about to rain here in Florida, and I don't feel like being getting wet.